Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that in previous video I informed you that Ethiopian Air Force has carried out an airstrike on the capital of the Tigray region, Mekelle. And now, according to Tigray sources, so far 10 unarmed civilians killed in two-day airstrike by Ethiopian Air Force and more than 20 people injured. Because the government said the attack on Thursday, the latest in a campaign of air bombardments, hit a factory in Mekelle used by the Tigray Defense Force. But according to Tigray government, civilians was hit by Ethiopian army in today's airstrike and almost 10 casualties reported so far and 21 people injured. All came to either hospital. Because the Tigray Communication Affairs Bureau, a TPLF linked information channel, reported the same tool and said the strike hit a residential area. And a Tigray spokesman denied that air raid hit a military target, and he said it struck a civilian residence, killing 10 people and wounding more than 20. Because 3 children were among the dead. Earlier, Tigray government spokesman Getachew Reda confirmed the attack on Mekelle and said that Tigray Defense Force air defense units were engaging an enemy jet. And a doctor told the Reuters news agency that the attack hit the residential Cable 5 area. And photos from the scene appeared to show rescuers pulling bodies from debris. And Tigrayan television screened pictures of Red Cross workers at the site of collapsed brick structures with corrugated iron roofs. Blankets and kettles can be seen among blood-stained wreckage. At one point, gloved volunteers hastily cover a body part with a sheet. Much of northern Ethiopia is under a communication blackout, and access for journalists is restricted, making battlefield claims difficult to verify independently. West Tigray was pounded by nearly daily aerial bombardments last week as the military stepped up its use of air power in the year-long war against the Tigray Defense Force. Whereas Ethiopia's government has asserted that the latest air raids have been confined to military targets, but Tigray forces have asserted that civilian facilities, including factories and a clinic, have been targeted instead. Because on the other hand, today war has intensified between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force in the surroundings of Dessie town. The war is currently spreading in the city of Dessie, but so far Dessie is still under the control of Ethiopian National Defense Force. Viewers, a video has been shared from Dessie which can be seen that the Ethiopian National Defense Force has installed heavy weapons near the population inside the Dessie city and who are currently bombarded in the direction of Tigray Defense Force. And of course, Tigray Defense Force is also present on the sides of Dessie, and the Tigray Defense Force will also be bombarded the Ethiopian National Defense Force in response to the Ethiopian National Defense Force attacks, and which will surely damage the urban population. Ethiopian National Defense Force should have kept this war away from the population, but Ethiopian National Defense Force has installed its heavy weapons very close to the population and inside the Dessie city, which is causing serious difficulties for the citizens. And a video has also been shared about it, in which the weapons of Ethiopian National Defense Force can be seen which are installed near the urban population. We will first watch this video and then talk further. On the other hand, Oromo Liberation Army High Command released a press in which he said that we urge some members of our community who have fallen prey to PP propaganda to dissociate themselves from a government whose days in a power are numbered. And we would like to remind our people, friends of our struggle and the international community that the PP-led government of the Ethiopia bears the ultimate responsibility for the crimes committed in this conflict against our people in Wollo. And we call upon our people in Wollo to continue to join your own Oromo Liberation Army and the Wollo branch of OLA to emancipate yourself from living as a second-class citizens inside the Amhara region. And we call upon soldiers and decent commanders within the PP army to stop fighting for a war with no cause other than keeping one man in power. And at the very least, we ask you spare your own lives by leaving the army of a government on the brink of collapse. And we call upon on the international community to support our struggle for freedom and self-determination and for the stability of the country and the region. So viewers, so far is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.